Okay, let me share my experience with decals. I remember I used to make a lot of these decals, but the problem I can find, even the uh, corporations who make these toys, they could never match the same shade to the model. This is just a sample anyways. So I tried something before, which is makes this kind of embossed borderlines for the model, but it seems that it was not as open widely accepted. But let me show you something. So I was right, but I wasn't using the right equipment. See that right there? It's very tiny. I'm doing this on purpose so I can test how to do the lining. See that beautiful sharp details, and that is because of this. So I no longer have to worry about the mismatch on the shade that will look really not so good actually. In this case, the only thing I gotta do is just paint over the model. Obviously, we need to add paint this model. We need to paint it. I don't want to paint it right now. But on my research, I was doing the correct thing. Look, I'm going to try to paint over this model. See if we can get the perfect lining. This is very tiny. Look at that beautiful sharp details, and that's what I'm trying to aim on this model. So we no longer have to deal with the very bad decals. We just paint over with the oil-based marker. We are going to achieve perfect results. Okay, I'm going to give you an update on this model. So I added some coil on the back, added the logo and numbers. These cab windows have some frame side by side that you can see the updates. Little different, little better, but something happened while I was doing that. I also added grill right there in the window, but I'm missing this piece, which I corrected the problem. I am 3D printing as we speak, as I'm uploading this model, so the next one will have this missing piece. But I think it's a big update with the coil and the grill that you can see here, the bars on these windows looking good. They also updated the orientation for this model. As you can see, this has not been sanded. I want to try to close up so you can see the tiny micro layer lines. There you can see tiny micro layer lines. So the only thing it needs is kind of a light primer. I don't want to vanish or I mean, I want the sharp details on this model. I did sand because obviously we need to sand. So here's what happened. This is another one. After I remove the supports, we still have some marks right there. Little marks here. See this? Marks that the supports left. I had to sand it. And the primer will take care of that. I sanded this area right here. See the difference? Compare. But I underestimated this resin. It takes time to get, but I don't want crappy finish model, so I took my time to clean that. Those tiny particles. Let me see if I can show you right here close up. Uh, See all these little connecting dots. It takes time. It takes a lot of time. Like I say, I underestimate the work that takes to clean resin supports residues. I was about to make a short video. I don't know why it's taking so long, but I just want to share my experience. I want to share my experience. And the problem right here is we need to be very careful uh, how to remove these little dots, and then you need to sand these parts. Some people asking me if these are available. I will have them available, but at the moment I'm doing some research, and obviously I cannot. I don't want to have these crappy uh, finished models. I want the best. I want the best. This takes time, but guys, this takes a lot of time to carefully sand. I hope you can see the mark right there. See the marks right there. That will actually take care. The primer should take care of that problem, but it's looking good. So in this case, I adapted the design to fit Tomy or toy company chassis from Percy. In this case, we need to cut this little piece right here in the center, so the face will fit on it. And also I included this other part, smoke box door, if you needed to I mean, whoever wants to adapt it to the model or the face. I want you to see the details. If you try to touch it, barely can feel the details. Now let me show you how it looks when the supports have not removed the support dots right there. It looks like it has a bear or something, uh, but this part right here actually definitely takes time. You need to be very careful, and resin definitely is not cheap to and now I understand why resin printed faces or models are expensive. Now I understand. For me, this is an uncharted territory. See, after we cut these little bumps, I actually need to do some sanding. Still looking bad, but once we finish to try to polish those areas, we got extremely good results. uh, yeah, I do not recommend you to try to buy from me. No, it's not gonna happen. This is not for this is a different great detailed models. I'm honest with you guys. Don't, even if you see my listing, it's expensive. Don't try to buy my models. You have another option. I have other options. Already made these listings. This is the other option. This is a budget for if it's this is not for your budget. I have this other one, but I'm looking for better quality models. As you can see right here, I will, yeah. I'm not gonna say it anyways. But anyways, it is. I'm trying to show you with that. Actually, the main character. I mean, the idea of this video was to show that we are about to make the lining better. Look at this definition on this resin printed part. So we definitely achieve good results of using only the marker, and the level or the height you see in here, that will prevent let me see, no spilling on the model. This is for professional model makers who will be, I will say it again, professionals only, who will make their own custom, and it's only the shell face and barn smoke box door, whatever option you want. But this is how it doesn't look good unsanded. This is sanded, and there is something else I want to show that will not be sanded inside That's why I tell you, do not buy it from me. Do not buy it from me. I will only sand the exterior layer lines. I mean, layer here, the outer baseline of the model, but not inside. It's you are not never gonna get this. I mean, you can do it yourself, but definitely takes time. But I mean, that will be hidden under. I mean, it's not exposed anyways. But I'm trying to make this takes time to sand. Definitely, not recommended.